Alright, we are here at Rapid Window Tinting on Sunset Boulevard, and in this video, we're going to be showing you how to get your windows tinted. We'll start with showing you how it's done on a Tesla, as it has unique window configurations on the passenger doors and a huge glass roof. Starting off with the passenger windows, you really start with cleaning the outside of the windows thoroughly by spraying on a solution. Once that's done, you apply the film onto the window and do a rough cut to get the approximate size of the window. You try to leave a little bit of margin around certain areas, except for the bottom that's being marked to precisely cut it in order to size it right for when you actually go to install it later on. This is being done on the outside for ease of application. Where the tint's actually going to be installed is on the inside, as we will see later. So once it's cut to size, what we're going to have to do is actually shrink the tint to the window surface. So we're going to have to lubricate the surface again, align the tint to the window, squeeze out the solution so that there's an airtight contact, and then with a heat gun, start to mold the tint to the window's curvature. This can be super important because windows are never perfectly flat, and if they were, you'd get some really obvious reflections. Once this is done, you're gonna have to clean the inside of the window very thoroughly. So you're gonna spray solution very liberally and sometimes use a razor to get any stubborn residue off. This is usually actually a really good technique to removing anything from your windows. The reason you want this to be clean is because this is the surface that the tint's gonna be going on. And the cleaner this is, the less chances you will have debris getting caught in, which will cause air bubbles and other things down the road. Once that's done, you're gonna spray the solution onto the film on the inside of the window surface, align it properly, and then start to squeeze out all the excess. This is a very important part of the process, as once everything's squeezed out, this is gonna be the position the film's in once it's actually finalized. Once all that's done, you're gonna have to trim any excess around the edges, and this is done with a razor blade. This is where the attention to detail really matters, and as you can see here, they're trying to get as close as possible to the glass so that there are no edges of the tint that come off of the window, which can cause peeling later down the road. Once it's done, you just wait and let it cure. Going on to the unique application of the rear window, this is going to take a lot of skill and effort to ensure that there's proper contact between the tint and the window. I sat with them for a good amount of time, seeing them do this entire process. They're really trained to spot any bubbles or any debris, and make sure that if there's any excess solution needed, that they'll spray it, respray it, to ensure that there's actual proper contact between the film and the window. There are also techniques that they use where they'll actually use a blowtorch to dry up any air bubbles, any water spots, to easily get that outside as soon as possible prior to everything curing. So that's gonna wrap up how this is done on the Tesla Model 3. If you guys enjoyed this video, highly recommend you guys check out Rapid Window Tintings. Their Instagram, their website will be linked below in the video, so feel free to check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.